Hello everyone and welcome. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this case here. Let's do it. It's hard with one hand. A giant hand. Come on, open box. There we go. Okay, got our card and whatnot. Well, our card. Got another thing. We got our box of cards. And we got our golden mushroom. No. Okay. I'm gonna unload the cards. Well, yeah, that's good. Oh, there we go. Video uploaded too. Ha ha. Oh. Yes. Upload video. Yeah, so that's 7. Okay, I got in my cards. Viewer, sorry. Busy uploading some videos, so got our mega mushroom. Got our triple shells. I'll just let you read it. Got another one of these. Probably this is a rare one. That's a rare one, maybe. Got one of those. Got Desert Hills. Bowser! Wow, I actually use Bowser in Mario Kart. Well, I use Luigi too, not Baby Luigi. But there's Luigi. And there's that. I'm not showing this card, but it's this one. I'm not showing that. Threw it away. Hate that piece of crap. Focus. There you go. And there's King Boo. And there's Mario. Wahoo! And there's Rosalina again. This card's away. I'm gonna get through these packages. Oh, wow. More packages. Here, viewers, look. You got your baby stroller. Got your star cup. Got that. Another star. Another Waluigi. Some fun tips, whatever. Daisy! If I get a Luigi, I have my favorite Mario couple. Come on, Luigi. Be there for your flower princess. Come on, Luigi. There's Banana Cup. There's the Phantom again. There's the Desert Hills again. There's the Triple Mushroom. There's... Oh, I thought that was... Dry Bowser. Fun fact, whatever. Yoshi. And... a tip card or whatever. No Luigi, unfortunately. That's what those packages were for. These ones. Ah, that sucks. I thought I was gonna have a Luigi. Baby Luigi doesn't count. Well, there's King Boo. Okay, viewers. That was unboxing of this Mario Kart Wii box. You guys take care. Bye-bye.